The Bermuda Triangle is often described as one of the most mysterious places on Earth. But before asking why, we should ask something simpler. Where is it actually located? Conventionally, the Bermuda Triangle is an ill-defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, roughly bounded by points in Bermuda, Miami, Florida, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. Miami, a vibrant coastal city, forms one corner, while the remote British island territory of Bermuda marks another. The third point is often considered San Juan, the capital of Puerto Rico, a U.S. territory in the Caribbean. However, it's crucial to understand that this triangle is not an officially recognized name on any map by the U.S. Board on Geographic Names, nor by any international organization. It has no official boundaries and is not a restricted zone. Ships and planes pass through it daily, just like any other part of the open ocean. The term itself is a creation of popular culture, not a geographical designation. This lack of a definitive definition is key to understanding its mystique. This brings us to why people disagree so much about the Bermuda Triangle. You see, since there's no official outline, different authors, researchers, and media outlets have taken liberties in defining its perimeter. Some maps you might find online or in books depict a relatively small, compact triangle, focusing on a more concentrated area where incidents were reported. Others stretch its boundaries significantly, sometimes encompassing vast swathes of the Atlantic, even extending towards the Azores or further into the Gulf of Mexico. This variation in size is incredibly important. A larger, more expansive triangle will naturally include a greater number of shipwrecks, plane disappearances, and other incidents, simply because a larger area means more traffic and more opportunities for things to go wrong. Conversely, a smaller, more tightly defined area might show fewer anomalous events, leading to different conclusions about its mystery. This discrepancy means that when you hear about an incident in the Bermuda Triangle, the first question should often be, whose Bermuda Triangle are they talking about? This constant shifting of boundaries and definitions fuels the ongoing debate and skepticism, emphasizing the need for a critical approach to the tales surrounding this enigmatic region. It's a prime example of how narratives can be shaped, and even distorted, by the way we choose to define the parameters of a story. So, with such fluid definitions, why did the Bermuda Triangle become such a sensation? The answer lies in a confluence of factors, both geographical and historical, that set the stage for its legendary status. Firstly, the region encompassed by the Bermuda Triangle is one of the most heavily trafficked shipping lanes in the world. For centuries, it has been a crucial route for vessels traveling between the Americas, Europe, and the Caribbean. With such an immense volume of air and sea traffic, it's statistically inevitable that a significant number of disappearances and accidents would occur here, regardless of any supernatural influence. More traffic simply means more opportunities for incidents. Secondly, the Atlantic Ocean, particularly in this tropical and subtropical zone, is notorious for its volatile weather. Sudden, violent storms, hurricanes, and rogue waves are common occurrences. These natural phenomena can swiftly and mercilessly overwhelm even large, modern vessels and aircraft. In earlier eras, before advanced weather forecasting and sophisticated communication systems, many ships and planes would have sailed or flown directly into such perilous conditions unaware, often with catastrophic results that left little to no trace. Thirdly, until relatively recently, navigation at sea and in the air relied on less precise instruments and methods compared to today is GPS and satellite technology. Errors in compass readings, miscalculations based on celestial navigation, or simple human misjudgment were far more common. Magnetic anomalies, which are present in various parts of the Earth, could also interfere with compasses, though this effect is often overstated as a primary cause of major incidents. When you combine high traffic, extreme weather, and rudimentary navigation, the stage is set for a higher frequency of disappearances. Finally, human error remains a significant factor in almost any accident. Fatigue, mechanical failure, poor decision-making, or simply unexpected events can lead to disaster even in the most mundane circumstances. When these factors occur in a vast, deep ocean, the chances of finding wreckage or survivors are significantly reduced, fueling the perception of an unsolved mystery. It's a combination of natural forces, technological limitations of the past, and unavoidable human fallibility that, over time, built the foundation for the Bermuda Triangle legend. In the end, the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle isn't about a hidden supernatural location, but about how stories grow and captivate us when boundaries are unclear, and the forces of nature are misunderstood. It's a testament to our fascination with the unknown, even when logical explanations abound. This is beyond what we know.